Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin Cash. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that Bitcoin Cash has recently broken out another rising wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart. And this was my last video that I shared a few hours ago with you. And now if we take a look at the live chart, this is by the way daily live time frame chart. And this was the rising wedge pattern that we have recently broken out. And after the breakout, you can see that the price end is still moving at this support of $450. For a while, we broke it out here, but again moved down. And right now, you can see that after the breakout, the price line is retesting this support. But after these two spikes here, if I adjust this trend line here, because we cannot ignore these rejection points, then approximately at $500, slightly higher than these two touch points. If we move on the weekly time frame chart, then it will be more visible. You can see that we have a quite long-term resistance. Like previously, this $500 has been breaking as a resistance here, and before that had been breaking as a support here, and resistance here back in the month of June 2019. So this is a quite long-term resistance that is coming from the month of June 2019 and still working at the resistance. And right now the price line is again about to hit this resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this down channel and from this very, very big falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for SFP, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can watch the complete trade setup, like the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. For that purpose, you will need to scroll this page down here. And here you can see that this is the buying zone and sell target zone and the stop loss. And you can also watch when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 4th of November. And you can also see how the price line moved after sharing this signal. For that purpose, you will need to click this button, and after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now let's start analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Bitcoin Cash that I shared in the previous month of October, 19th of October 2024, with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gartner pattern, an expected harmonic bullish reversal Gartner pattern that Bitcoin Cash was completing on the daily time frame chart with US dollar pair, not with US dollar pair, with Bitcoin pair. And this was the complete trade signal, buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, and you can see that the price then dropped more down, completed the leg here, then entered the buying zone, and then we had a nice reverse and read the sell target zone here. Before that, we caught almost 11% pump on this 2-hour time frame chart. You can see that the price then formed this bullish shark move. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then nicely moved up from the buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Bitcoin Cash. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past stable days, even for the past stable week, since after 5th of August 2024, Bitcoin Cash was moving inside this rising wedge pattern, and now we have broken out the resistance. And the technical target, by the way, for this breakout from this rising wedge pattern is here. That is approximately at $535, and you can see that we are about to hit that target. But before that, we have a quite long-term resistance of $500 as well. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $500 has been previously breaking at the resistance here, almost as a resistance here as well. And before that, it had been breaking as support here and resistance here in the month of June 2019. And therefore now it can again work at a very, very strong resistance for the price line of Bitcoin Cash. And then after breaking up this resistance, it can hit the target for the breakout from this wedge. And the target for the breakout from this down channel, you can see that we have also broken out this down channel as well. And the target for this breakout is here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at $700. And by the way, from $700 to $800, we have a quite long-term resistance on that had been previously working as a resistance here and resistance on here. and resistance on here as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of Bitcoin Cash. Now, if you take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, you can see that on the 7 days time frame chart, we have already broken out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. That target can be here at the top of the wedge, somewhere between $1,600 to $2,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.